What's up? It's Saturday. We have some sort of a dust storm situation going on here. Not sure if this lasts all day or what. That's intense. God. Well, it must not be that terrible to exercise in this dust. We ventured to the other side of the island to try to see if the storm was over there as well, and it was. We didn't have much luck finding any fresh air or fresh skies. It was the same all over the island, I think. So we just stopped for a pee break for the boys and then headed back, and now we're in a mall. Seems to be the only relief from the dust storm. They say these things can last like 2 or 3 days. So yeah, you might be with us for the rest of the trip. We've purchased Apocalypse Experience number 3. Shopping is done. We came back to the hotel. It looks like it might be starting to clear up, actually. It's well, you can kind of see a little bit of blue sky, and actually that mountain over there was, I don't know if you can see it. That mountain over there was totally hidden by the dust storm, but now I can see that, so it's giving some hope. So I think there's some hope for at least for tomorrow. Hey, actually, look at that. Looks a lot different than it did evening saved.